Grade 10, Organizing Writing. Organizing writing involves arranging ideas and information in a coherent and logical structures to ensure clarity and flow. This typically includes an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Example, when writing an essay, you start with an introduction that presents the main topic, followed by body paragraphs that each discuss a specific point, and end with a conclusion that summarizes the key idea. Question. Arrange in order the topics from broadest to narrowest. Choose the proper arrangement in the given choices. Is it letter A or is it letter B? Explanation. The correct answer is letter A. Areas known for their extreme weather conditions has the broadest scope. It is the most general. Areas known for their extreme temperatures has a narrower scope. It focuses on a specific type of extreme weather. Extreme temperatures in the East Antarctic Plateau has the narrowest scope. It focuses on a specific area known for its extreme temperatures. For our final answer, the correct answer is letter A.